Hello there, this is Randil. Welcome again. In this lesson today, we will be looking at major physical characteristics of Earth. The main physical characteristics of Earth are relief and climate. First, we will be looking at what are the relief features. Then, we will come to learn about the climatic conditions and climatic zones available on Earth. Relief is the variety of different physical features on Earth. Earth consists of various physical features and a large number of such features available on Earth. For instance, hills, mountain ranges, mountains, plateaus, plains, lakes, rivers, islands, bays, lagoons, sand sheets, sand dunes, residual hills. I think if you just go through the content given in the textbook and try to understand what the features are as the relief features on the earth, I think you can have a clear idea about the relief features available on earth. Then once we complete the relief features on earth, we will come to learn about climate. The great Greek philosopher Aristotle put forward the idea about the distribution of climatic zones over the globe. According to his classification, so we have three main climatic zones: tropical zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. So for each main climatic zones, we have already subclimatic zones. We already learned about subclimatic zones in grade 9. Therefore, I am not going to pay much attention on those areas, and I am going to pay much attention on the area which is suitable for grade 10 students. And you will be able to learn about different land features, how you call them, and the location, and also based on the location of each continent. I think by now you are ready for this lesson. Before we start the lesson, I must tell you, I think you should start reading the content first in the textbook. Then after that, try to find out the difficult word if you come across. Then get the help of the dictionary and find out the meaning and write it somewhere else. Then try to understand the content very well. Then once you understand the things, I'm sure that you can just come and watch this video. And by the end of this video, and if you just follow the pathway that I just asked you to follow, I'm quite sure by the end of this series of different activities, you will be able to have a better understanding about different physical features available on Earth. Then join me in this lesson. If you are ready, let's get started. The major physical characteristics of the Earth, Unit 2, Grade 10. The introduction. Under introduction, I have prepared some questions and answers. Let's look at them first. First one, what comes under the major physical characteristics of the Earth? Climate and relief. What is relief? The variety of the physical features found on the Earth. Give some examples of physical features on the Earth: hills, mountains, mountain ranges, plateaus, plains. What is the main objective of this chapter? The major physical characteristics of the Earth. The main objective of this chapter is to study the relief, the nature of the main types of climate, and their distribution on the Earth. What are the two most largest physical features on Earth? Continents and oceans. Continents. What is a continent? A large landmass which has risen from the oceans is called a continent. There are 7 continents in the world. What are they? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. What is the largest continent in the world? Asia. What is the second largest continent in the world? Africa. What is the smallest continent in the world? Australia. What is the continental shelf? The shallow sea strip that stretches towards the ocean from the continental boundary is known as the continental shelf. What do you call the edge of the continental shelf, which slopes abruptly towards the ocean? It is called the continental slope. Islands. Let's look at some information about islands in the world. What is an island? Define. It is a small land area of various shapes, surrounded by water. Name 4 islands which are located in the continental shelf of Asia.
Borneo, Java, Sumatra, Sri Lanka. Name two islands which are located in the continental shelf of Australia. Papua New Guinea, Tasmania. Name an island which is located in the continental shelf of Africa. Madagascar. Many islands are located in the continental shelf close to continents, but a few islands are located in the central regions of the oceans too. Name such two islands which were created as a result of volcanic activities that occurred in the deep ocean. Hawaii and Iceland. Oceans. What is an ocean? Define. The ocean is a huge body of salt water located between continents. How much of the land surface area of the earth is covered by oceans in the world? 71% of the surface of earth is covered by oceans. How many oceans are there in the world? And name them. There are five oceans in the world: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. What is the largest ocean in the world? The Pacific Ocean. What is the second largest ocean in the world? The Atlantic Ocean. What is the third largest ocean in the world? The Indian Ocean. What is the smallest ocean in the world? The Arctic Ocean. In which ocean is Sri Lanka located? In the Indian Ocean. In which ocean are Japanese islands located? The Pacific Ocean. Seas. What is a sea? Define. An area of seawater which is smaller than the ocean, and it is located where the ocean and the land meet. Name three seas which are completely surrounded by lands: Caspian Sea, Aral Sea, and Dead Sea. Name six seas which are partly enclosed by land: Mediterranean Sea, Red Sea, Black Sea, Yellow Sea, Sea of Japan, Baltic Sea. Name two seas within the ocean: Arabian Sea and China Sea. Mountain ranges. What is a mountain range? Define. The mountain range is a landform feature that stretches with a high elevation having a variety of slopes and several peaks. Name three large mountain range systems in the world: the Himalayas, the Rockies, the Andes. Plateaus. What is a plateau? Define. A plateau is a flat land area located at a high elevation or a mountainous region. Which plateau is located at the highest elevation in the world, and where is it located? Tibet Plateau, and it is located in the Himalayas. Name four other large plateaus located in the world: Pamir Plateau, Mongolian Plateau, Deccan Plateau, and Arabian Plateau. Name four smaller plateaus located in Sri Lanka: Valimada, Mahavalatana, Koslanda, Hatton. Plains. What is a plain? A flat land extending in a very large area at a low elevation is called a plain. Name three examples of large plains located in the world: the Great Siberian Plain, North American Plain, Nullarbor Plain. Name a few types of plains, classified based on their formation and location: coastal plain, glacier plain, fluvial plain, alluvial plain. River. What is a river? A river is a natural watercourse flowing throughout the year along a clear cut valley into an ocean, a sea, lake, a basin, or a marsh. Rivers may originate from a spring or a lake. Indicate the river which originates against the following location. River Thames starts from a spring. River Nile starts from a lake. River Rhine starts from melted glaciers. River Mahabali in Sri Lanka starts from a spring in a mountainous region. Lakes. What is a lake? Define. A depression or a crater located on land which is filled with fresh water is known as a lake. Name the five great lakes located in North America: Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, Ontario. What is the largest lake in Australia? Lake Eyre. What is the largest lake in Europe? Lake Ladoga. What is the largest lake in South America? Lake Titicaca. What is the largest lake in Africa? Lake Victoria. What is the largest freshwater lake in the world? Lake Superior. Which lake is located at the highest elevation in the world? Lake Titicaca. Name three inland seas which are filled with marine water in the world. Caspian Sea, Aral Sea, and Dead Sea. What is the largest internal sea in the world? Caspian Sea. What is the deepest freshwater lake in the world? Lake Baikal. What is the largest freshwater lake in Asia? Lake Baikal. Distribution of the climatic types and their basic features. Define climate. Climate is the general condition of the atmosphere that prevails within a long period of time. How long do you think one would study a particular region to get a clear idea about generalized climatic condition? A period of at least 30-35 years. Name four factors that one would take into consideration to determine a particular type of climate. Temperature, rainfall, means of rainfall, duration of the rainfall. Who put forward the first idea about the distribution of climate in the world? A Greek philosopher, Aristotle, around 384 BC. Into how many broad climatic zones did Aristotle divide the world? Three broad climatic zones. What did Aristotle use to introduce the distribution of these broad climatic zones? He used the distribution of temperature that changes according to the latitudinal location of the world. Name three persons who have presented wide climatic classifications at global level. Austin Miller, Thorns, Waite, Kepler. The main climatic zones. What are the three main climatic zones in the world? The tropical zone, the temperate zone, and the frigid zone or polar zone. Which climatic zone is located between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn? Tropical zone. Which of the climatic zones is located between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle? Temperate zone. Name the climatic zone which is located between Arctic Circle and North Pole. Polar zone or frigid zone. Tropical climate. Which climatic zone is located between Tropic of Cancer, 23½ north latitude, and Tropic of Capricorn, which is located at 23½ south latitude? Tropical zone. Out of the above mentioned three climatic zones, in which zone is the highest temperature recorded? In tropical zone. What is Tropic of Cancer? It is an imaginary line which is drawn horizontally at 23½ north, and it is taken as a major latitude around the globe. Write down some significant features that can be seen in tropical zone. The highest temperature is recorded in this zone, and a very high temperature prevails throughout the year, over 18 degrees Celsius. There is no winter, only warm climatic conditions can be seen. Most of the areas in this zone receive a very high rainfall throughout the year. Name a few different geographical regions located in tropical zone. Tropical grassland, tropical rainforest regions, tropical desert region. Temperate zone. Indicate distribution of temperate zone based on latitudinal values. Temperate zone is located between Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle, and also between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. Write down the locations of the following major latitudes over the globe based on their latitudinal values. Tropic of Cancer at 23½ degrees north. Tropic of Capricorn at 23½ degrees south. Arctic Circle at 66½ degrees north. Antarctic Circle at 66½ degrees south. Name a few special features which can be seen in temperate zone. The temperature in temperate zone changes according to the seasonal differences. A hot season and a cold season with rainfall could clearly be seen in this zone. Prevalence of the Mediterranean climate. Polar climate. Describe the distribution of polar climate across the globe. Polar climate is distributed in the polar regions extending from Arctic Circle to North Pole and also between Antarctic Circle and South Pole. Write down the location of the following major latitudes on the basis of latitudinal values. Arctic Circle at 66½ degrees north. Antarctic Circle at 66½ south. North Pole at 90 degrees north. South Pole at 90 degrees south. Name a few special features in the polar region in polar climate. the lowest temperature recorded in this zone. The annual rainfall is very low, that measures between 250 and 300 millimeters. Tundra climate prevails here in this zone. What do you understand by tundra climate? Temperatures are extremely cold. It can get warm in summer. Tundra winters are long, dark, and cold. There is a layer of permanently frozen ground below the surface. That's all. We have come to the end of our presentation on the physical features of the globe. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a clear idea about this unit. As I always tell you that you have to first go through the content given in the textbook, then get the meaning of different difficult words and get the help of a dictionary and write those words in somewhere else and remember them. Then after that you just go through the question and answers here given in this video. Then I am quite sure that by the end of this process, following all the procedures that I asked you to take, then you will have a better understanding about the physical features of the earth. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe to our channel and alarm the notification bell. Then you will be notified with our latest geography lessons. I hope to see you in another video. Bye for now.